with Kanana Hi, I'm Brookie, and this is Kylie, and this is our dance. And we've been dancing for our whole lives at Helloica BQ, and Kylie will be talking about what our dance is about.
The song that we chose is Po'oliku Kaleua, and it's a really special song to us because it relates back to our hello and the land that was gifted to our kumu's grandmother from one of Queen Liliuokalani's ladies-in-waiting. The land is located in Paoa on the island of Oahu, which is where our hello is based. The song itself talks about a lehua bud, which is associated with the morning time or dawn because of the morning dew that is often found on the Uhi Lehua. In Mele, typically, the lehua bud symbolizes something deeper, and in this case, it symbolizes a graceful woman from Paoa. She's young and kalohe, and she attracts the attention of her admirer as she walks by.
Thank you.
Thank you!
My name is Kaikane Thatcher West. I am late on Oahu. I graduated from Kamehameha Schools Kapalama, and this is my second year here at UO. I first started dancing hula when I was 6 years old for Napua Le'oliko Lehua, and I now dance for Kalani, as well as dancing for Hawaiian Ensemble. The song I picked is called Haleakala Hula, and the reason I picked this song is for its upbeat tempo, and I wanted the boys to have fun while sharing the beauty of Haleakala through their hula. I want to shout out all the boys for trying something new and giving me their best, showing up every week, trying to get better, practicing, and I want to shout out Carson Chu. That's my guy. He joined late as a senior, and he really put in the work, learned it within 2 weeks, so I really want to shout him out, bro. I'm proud of you.
Aloha, my name is Caleb Kura and I'm from Elo Beach, Oahu, and I'm currently a senior here at U of O. I've been dancing hula since middle school, but I didn't get serious until, and I joined Halau Kaleo Lakalikai Kilon Kala, and ever since then I've been dancing at home, here and there, and then once I came up to here, I started teaching dances as of last year actually, and I'm wearing up the same amount this year. For my dance that I did for Wahine Awana 2 is to Bua Be Still by Napalapalai. This song is a romantic melody about the Bua Be Still flower, and it's symbolizing a beloved or a specific place. Relating that to this year's theme, Mohalo Kafu o Benikayo, I used the Be Still flower to symbolize my aloha for Huio Hawaii and for all the memories that I have made here with the people I have met.
All right, let's give it up one more time. Aren't they just beautiful? I love seeing them dance. All right, we're gonna play a little game now, so we'll do a little bit of crowd work. Who's ready for a game? Who's ready to get out of their seat? All right. Everybody know the game, Gimme Gimme? Yeah, okay, for those of you who don't know, let me tell you. So how this game works, I will say gimme, gimme, and the name of an object. And someone will run to the stage, here to Liam or Madison, and you will give them that object. The first person to give them that object, what are they winning, Liam? Oh, bag of nom! Ooh. Oh, I wish I was playing this game. I win every round. All right, y'all get the juice? Yes? Okay, get everything out your purses, your bags, your pockets, your wallets. Give me $5. Nah, I'm free. So nobody? No, okay. All right, you ready? Yeah. All right, let's start. Real easy, real simple. Give me a hair tie. Go. He's hopping. Oh, is that a hair tie, Liam? Is that a hair tie? It's a hair tie. We got one hair tie. All right. Real easy. Just a disclaimer, my first couple rolls, give a little bit of time, okay, for my people in the back, okay? I want it to be fair, okay? Even though, again, I would win. All right, next one. Give me a Hawaiian bangle or bracelet. It's gotta come off your wrist. All right, they're cheating up here, bro. They're cheating. Yes. Oh, Liam's moving around, so if you can run. All right, you ready for the next one? Give me one fresh lay. He's over here. Fresh lay. Oh, wow. They run real fast. I've never run that fast in my life. All right. Watch Liam. He looks like he's going to the center. All right. Next, give me an ie lava, a pareo, something. Nobody? Oh, go, Hunter, go! Oh yeah, catch, okay. Hunter, you better share with me later. Yeah. All right, next, give me one Hawaiian driver's license. Axie's over there. They're over there. It's not me. Is it real? Is it real now? Oh, it's real. Okay. Don't make loving on there. No. Okay, oh. And remember, don't run to me. Over there. Okay. Yeah. Give me one Costco membership card.
Is it messing up? It's supposed to connect to that way, so I'm using it.
All right. First ticket. The number is 9285844. Oh! Right there! That's not my mom. Okay, it might be my mom.
Yeah, they said it's fine over there.
Okay, I didn't even plan that. Wow.
So there should be fine, but where's the technology?
Hey,
That's
y'all
what's
are
gonna
gonna
happen.
think I'm a
Because if
cheater.
anything, I just switched the inputs. Even then it wasn't working, but if it just goes through there,
Throw all their tickets away.
yeah. And then you get your food already.
Okay,
all that.
next one. One more chance.
You get food.
Let's see.
And if you want to get a chair, you can sit.
9286240. Okay, come down. Claim your prize. Or I'll claim it.
You can sit.
9286240. Okay. Good. All right. Well, let's give a round of applause. All right. Well, now please join us in welcoming our talented Wahine and Kane to the stage. But before they begin, let's take a moment to
The second dance that I choreographed this year is Korawana, and the song that I chose to choreograph to was Leonona by Makahasans Amiiho. For those of you that know the song, it's a very playful melee, and that's the main goal that I wanted this year for Cohen again. As last year when I had this playful sense with No Play Play, I really liked it because it was a great time for all of us to bond together. Although I told the students that like this is another that I've learned and everything, I allow them the opportunity to play because it's supposed to be fun, it's supposed to be uplifting. And so for this year with Leonora, I decided to stay with that same goal because with all the other dances and other choreographers, we all have these mo'ololos that we want to tell with the dance that we've learned while we're being raised and continue to practice each day. However, for Leonora, I decided to just take the time to connect with everyone because sometimes as a choreographer, you can become detached from your peers because it's now your kuleana to make sure you present the melee or the dance with the utmost authenticity that you had when you learned it from your kumu or from your teacher. And since I created this one, it's a more playful one, I allow the students to just have fun. And for even other people that are from other halos, I told them, I'm like, these are my moves that I choreographed. However, I would appreciate you guys to pay tribute to your kumuhulas and to your lineage and to do your style of these fundamental movements because at the end of the day, we're all like anohana, like we want to just all have fun together, and having this opportunity to just dance with one another, bond with one another is a great opportunity. Shout out to this.
so much for coming here tonight, everyone. We want to give wonderful applause for Wahine and Kane one more time, please. Now we want to do some thank yous. This event wouldn't be possible without the many hands who've helped us along the way. Starting with EDKH, who catered the Ono Hawaiian dinner you ate tonight. A round of applause for them as well. Next, we would like to thank the people of Matthew Knight Arena and Doug Wilson for working with us to host this momentous occasion here tonight, and for the amazing stage production we have. Can I get another round of applause for them? We'd also like to thank our sponsors and companies who donated to make this event possible. Thank you to UO Alumni Association, UO Hawaii Ducks Alumni Chapter, Waihole Poi Factory, Aloha Shoyu, Defend Hawaii, OSU Hu'io Hawaii, Auntie Leilani, and all the parents and grandparents who helped us make this happen tonight. We'd also like to thank Wild Duck Cafe for feeding our dancers last night as well. Lastly, but certainly not least, our wonderful dancers who have dedicated the last 4 months to practicing for tonight's show. Your hard work and dedication didn't go unnoticed. I remember talking to some of the dancers and they all said that they can't wait for Luau to be finished so they can have their Mondays back, as well as their Tuesdays, Wednesdays, because we have practice every day. So can I get another round of applause for them? And do a little interview, if that's okay? So, let me see, who wants to be interviewed, right? Oh, I see hands, I'm coming. We're gonna have people come to us. Who wanted to be interviewed? Okay, right now I see one person right here. Please come up. You can come to the stage right here. Can I get a round of applause? What's your name?
I'm Queen Nick Bachomio Feliz.
Okay, are you a student here at UO?
Yes, I'm a student in my second year.
Hey, and what does it mean to come here to Luau and to support HOH?
Well, being part of NASU and being Mr. UO, I love supporting local other indigenous peoples, and I love Luau so much, and I'm just really excited to be here.
Thank you so much for coming to join us. For those who don't know, NASU is the Native American Student Union here on UO campus. They do have their Mother's Day powwow next weekend as well, from Friday to Sunday. We got more, guys.
And two, on Friday, May 8th, I'm having my going away special, a hand drum special. So if you want to hear some singing, hear some traditional organ singing up here, please come at MacArthur Court, May 8th. I think around Grand Entry.
Especially at Hu'io, Hawaii, we like to support our indigenous students because of the history of Hawaii itself. Now we're going to move on to our next section, which is going to be our Tahitian section. So please give it up for our Wahine.
Yara na mai tato o Angie Jackman to ioa e te raatira wauno ta'u te pupu ori Tewa Oriata. My name is Angie Jackman and I am the director of Tewa Oriata. I grew up, born and raised on Oahu in Hawaii, and I've been dancing for over 30 years, all different dance forms, all styles, hula, ori Tahiti, siva, Maori. I came here to Oregon and wanted to be able to share my love and passion for Polynesian dance here in the Northwest.
And I am so honored to have been asked this year to choreograph the Ori Tahiti or Tahitian segment for your luau. The Apuroa or Mehura and Aparima numbers I chose this year all encompass and embody the theme, Mohala Kapua, the blossoming flowers, particularly the tiare of Tahiti, the Tahitian gardenia. The dancers will dance about the arearea or the joyfulness and youthfulness of the flowers embodiment of themselves as the youth. Mahalo and maruru.
Okay, now today we are gonna play a little game, right? So we're gonna do some quick trivia and test how akamai, which is smart, this crowd actually is. So I wanna have Maddie and Liam, they're gonna go out and find 8 contestants. So who would like to play? And if you don't wanna play, I'm gonna make them pick you, okay? So I need some hands. If you're good at local questions too. I got one hand over there. Do I see another hand? I have one hand right here. Do I see another hand? Another hand? Oh, Letty, come. You come, it's okay. And then you guys can come in through this side, and then you guys can stay on this side, whatever side you're entering from. Maddie, where'd you go? Oh. Maddie, do you find folks? That's 1, 2, 3.
I don't know if it's
Maddie, you need one more. You got Where's she gonna choose? Who is she gonna choose? Who is she? Oh, psych, come on. Genesis! Oh, sorry guys. Next time, okay? Next time. Liam, do you have... We need 2 more people, Liam, from your side. Oh, sorry. Hello? You got children? Hey, never shoot down the underdog, right? Whoa. Hey, girls, you guys got this, okay? I trust you. I believe in you. Liam, where are you? They need help. You need to come over here. Actually, I trust you guys. You guys are where, whatever. Liam right here, Maddie right here. Okay. So this game, I'm just going to give you guys 5 questions. So we're gonna do 2 pairs of each. So one person from here, and then one person from here. You guys are gonna come to me, right? I'm gonna ask you the question, and then you just have to get the microphone for me to answer, okay? You got it. Don't. Hey, and Liam's gonna help you. Just pray that Liam knows the answer too. Just hopefully he's actually akamai too. So let's start easy. So we're gonna actually do some introductions first, people. Hey, what's your name?
Mia,
And where are you from?
McMinnville, Oregon.
Whoa, give it up for McMinnville! Rating of 1 to 10, how akamai are you?
Like a 6.
Oh, not confident, but a little bit more confident than, okay, that's okay. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Cameron.
Okay, Cameron. Oh, Cameron, you got fans out there. You want to wave to them? Where are you from?
I'm from Hawaii.
Okay, so you know some local questions. How akamai are you?
Maybe a 7.
Oh, she's confident, y'all. Just a little bit more confident than McMinnville over here. Are you gonna go easy on the children?
Yes.
Oh, she's gonna go easy. Isn't she so nice? Okay, hello, what's your name?
I'm Christina.
Christina? Oh, Christina, you have one fan right there. Christina, where are you from?
I'm from the Confederated Tribes of Warm Springs.
Hey, everyone, clap it up, clap it up. We support indigenous people here. How smart are you on a rating of 1 to 10?
I guess we'll see.
Oh, mysterious, guys. She's mysterious. We will see. Hello. What's your name?
My name is Ku'ule.
And where are you? Oh, wow. Where are you from?
Maui, Hawaii.
Hawaii. She's repping Maui. Okay. How akamai are you?
Very akamai.
Oh, yeah? On a rating of 1 to 10, then?
10.
She's super smart.
culture.
I fear you won yourself with that one. Hello, what's your name?
Audrey,
Audrey, where are you from?
Hawaii, Oahu.
Wow, okay. How Akamai are you?
You're like a 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10, okay, I would believe in that. What's your favorite subject in school right now? She wasn't expecting that question now.
Spelling.
Spelling, okay. We're gonna come back to you, okay? Hi, what's your name?
Jewel.
Jewel, where are you from?
Here.
Eugene here or Matthew Knight? How smart are you?
Probably like an 8 out of 10.
Oh, she's beating y'all, guys. She's beating y'all. I fear, Liam, you might not be much use for here, but we're gonna believe in him, right, guys? Hi, what's your name?
Evangeline.
Evangeline, where are you from?
Hawaii.
What part of Hawaii are you from? Who laughed? You were wrong for that. Where are you from?
YPO.
Hey, give it up for YPO! How are you?
Maybe a 9 out of 10.
Geography, but she's smart at everything else. Right, guys? Hey, what's your name? Last contestant, y'all. What's your name?
Kaya.
Kaya, where are you from?
Hawaii.
Hawaii, okay. And how Akamai are you?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I'm trusting the children. I believe the children are the future. Yeah. Okay, guys, are you ready? So it's gonna be our in-persons. You guys are gonna come to me and run to get the mic, okay? First, you guys are gonna have to take some time to think of an answer, okay? Go easy now, everyone. Talk to you kids, right? Go easy on the old folk. Okay. Okay. The first question is, what island and city is the famous Merry Monarch Festival held in?
Hawaii.
Auntie, what about the children? Okay. You guys got this, okay? I'm trusting you, okay? Okay, this one's a good one. It's very on theme for where we're at right now, right? What is the UO mascot's name?
I think she would like to say the answer.
Puddles?
No, he just gave it the wrong answer.
You gave them the wrong answer. Everyone, he's fired! Anyone else know? Anyone know? Oh. The duck? That's correct. I need to suck him out, please.
He said puddles.
Leon, please. Okay.
I knew this was
Okay, guys. Hawaii is known for their 2 official languages. One is English, and the other is full name, full one. Pidgin. No, gotta give it to the children.
They said Olelo, Hawaii.
That's correct. You guys are young enough for sharing is caring, so let's share it, you know? Let's share, that's the true aloha spirit. Okay, this one, this question is gonna be a bit of a little twist, okay? Just trust me, because it's just my preference. What is the best malasada place on Oahu? Keep it down right there. Best malasadas place, come on guys. Malasada.
She said a pink truck? Seems like Leonard's. Is that Leonard's?
Wait, I was gonna say, if they, I wasn't gonna get to the point, but I like the the food truck, so you do get the point. Leonard's is the right answer.
I did just do it.
Guys, the real answer was Kamehameha Bakery. Okay, well, that's it for our gifts, guys, but looks like we got 2 points each. So let's do a little tiebreaker, okay? Real quick. This one's gonna be a little bit of a hard question, okay? Auntie, where you going, yeah? Where you going? I finished yet. Trying to leave with your prize already? Auntie! Okay, guys. This last question is, who was the first king of Hawaii that united the tribes and the islands? Yes, that's correct! You guys should try to win.
I'll take what we can get.
Everyone, group hug, group hug. Woo! And the kids won that, guys. Liam, you were useless there. I fear the kids knew before you did. Okay, guys, now we're gonna do at least one raffle for everyone, okay? One raffle. Maddie, where did Maddie go? Oh, okay, we got one raffle, everyone. Two raffles! Wow, we're feeling generous tonight. Okay, everyone. The first number is 9285822. Any winners? What was that word over there? Oh, hello? Next number. Going once. Going twice. Dang. Dang, okay. Okay then, now we got one more number. 9286010. Hey! Front row got it. Okay, we got 9286010. Hey, okay, give it up. Don't be sore losers. Okay, we're gonna do one more since the first person wasn't here. The number is 9286017. Oh, I'm hearing a lot of groans and nexes. You will not tell me what to do, Mr. King. Next, hey, who said that? Meet me outside. I was joking. Okay, next raffle. 9285846. Bring me the number. Oh, there was a winner too. Come over here. Let's see. That's correct. Hey, congratulations, give it up. Next, we'll be seeing another dance from Tahiti. Please give it up for Wahine one more time.
Is it this one?
Let's give it up for.
I'm hot, bro. I'm sweating.
These stage lights don't help.
Yeah, I look tan, but like, you can see all the sweat.
She's glowing, right? Okay, so at this time, our dancers are going to actually go out into the audience and find some volunteers to learn a few new moves. Now don't be shy, y'all.
All right, pick up crew, go ahead. Pick your audience.
Right here, that's not right here!
Let me see who can shake that move.
Bro, I practiced.
That's not right here!
Let me see, let me see.
Right here, right here, right here!
Oh, they're kind of fast. Oh. Don't be shy now. All of you are hooting. All of you are up here. Oh, give it up, give it up, give it up. All right. All right. Oh, we got some big, we got some small. Okay. We're gonna go to each of our contestants, and they're gonna say their name on our scale of 1 to 10. How confident are you in your Tahitian moves? Okay. Say your name on a scale of 1 to 10.
My name's Leo. I'm not very confident.
Okay. That wasn't a number, but okay. Okay, your name?
My name's Dave, and I say I'm not really confident.
Okay, they're still not giving me numbers. It's okay, no worries, yeah. All right, your name and on a scale of 1 to 10, how confident are you?
My name is Jaslyn, and I'm like 4 out of 10.
Oh, okay.
Leave it to the children to listen to instructions.
Yeah, thank you, yeah. All right, next.
I'm Darian. I said 1 out of 10.
Okay. They're gonna be confident, swear.
My name is Jaden. 6 out of 10.
Oh! I better see you shaking it out there. All right, next.
My name's Cade. I think Wavelength, the boy in the black over there. Shout out Dave.
Okay, still not a number. All right, next.
My name is Liam, and my social
On a scale from 1 to 10, how confident are you?
like 7 out of 10.
Oh, okay. Well, you're looking pretty confident down the line. All right, name it on a scale of 1 to 10.
My name is Lonnie, and I'm pretty confident.
Oh, she's putting her elbows on your hips. Yeah, your hips. All right, name and a scale of 1 to 10.
My name is Genesis, and 8 out of 10.
Oh, 8. Okay. Name on a scale of 1 to 10.
Raven, say 7.
Okay, we got some pretty confident people down here. All right, so our dancers are going to show you a couple moves. So if you stand in front of them, stand in front.
Okay, first, we're going to start with some basics. We're going to first start with the Tahiti Tamau.
Tamau. Bow.
Side to side, everyone. This side's looking stiff.
Yeah. That's the not confident side.
Right, this is the non-member side.
Yeah. All right, we're going to switch it up. Ready? Now we have the Varu. Yoo-hoo. Wahoo. Oh, low and slow.
I'm pretty sure you're supposed to go lower, guys.
Yeah.
Right, okay. Next, we have the Ami.
Ami. Whoa. Oh, shoot. Hands on head and everything.
I'm looking at my side and not much is changing.
My side's pretty good over here. All right. Next, we have the Farapu. Pick it up.
That's right.
Whack. Oh, now. Oh, shoot.
I'm not sure over here is doing really good.
Hey! Okay,
Well, the
thank
audience
you.
thinks so too.
Yeah. Audience, are you confident in our dancers tonight? Okay. All right, we're going to start with our groups. Are you ready? Go back to the line. Okay. Here we go. Show me your moves. Show me your moves. Yup.
Come on, guys, cheer.
Shake what your mama gave you. Shake what your mama gave you. Give it up. Yes, remember at the end, stop.
Be sure to go full out.
At the end, hit your pose, okay? Hit your pose. All right, group two, you're up. Hit it, DJ. Okay. Oh yeah. Out of breath. I got asthma too. Oh, pulse.
Oh, give it up.
There's a lot of shimmying going on over here. All right. Good job, group two. Group three, you're up, group three. DJ, let's hear it. Go. Oh.
Light them up.
Check what your mama gave ya. Right pose. I just saw a lot of two steps over here. 1, 2, 1, 2. What was it looking on your side? Oh, nothing? Okay. Yeah, Hunter just likes to see me talk at him and not respond.
Wait, I didn't hear her at all.
All right, we're gonna go off with our last man right here. Last man, come on up. All right, DJ, hit it. Slow. Oh, turn around. Let me hear you. Oh yeah. Shake it like a sword, shake it, rip up. Give it up.
You're not done, sir. You're not done.
Yeah. Pose.
Hey, give it up.
Hey. Man, those are some good moves. What do you think, audience? Were they good moves? Low-key better than me, I'm not gonna lie.
Thank you, everyone, for showing off your dancing skills. Maybe you guys can teach me a thing or two.
No.
Okay.
All right. We'll be taking a 10-minute intermission. Also, be sure to visit our country store near the entrance, where you'll enter tonight. Snacks. Don't take too long, though. You'll want to be back for our special performance.
And for those watching our live stream, we will be... Mingle, everyone, mingle! Greet each other! 28628. Did I hear a cheer? Any takers? Sore losers. Confirm. Give it up. Okay, now we will be moving on to our next performance. These next few performances will be from Samoa. So give it up for our ladies one more time. Sorry guys, I lied. We're actually gonna do one more interview. Who would like to be interviewed? Who wants to be? Sorry guys, I've been ignoring them this entire night. Come guys, who wants to be interviewed? Come, one with the boy in the hair. Get it up guys. Hey, oh, hello. Hello, what's your name?
I'm May.
Everyone say, hello, May. Good job, guys. May, where are you from?
I'm from the Big Island.
Oh, Big Island. What part of Big Island? What part of Big Island?
Hilo.
Hey, she's from Hilo, too. Turn up. Okay, what does it mean to be here?
To me, it means supporting my friends and Hawaii.
Thank you so much for coming. So I was kind of shocked that you wanted to be interviewed. So let's move on to another person. Another person. Okay. Come. Genesis, where are you from?
Memphis, Tennessee.
What year are you?
2027.
Okay. What does it mean to be here at Luau? Is this your first Luau?
Yes, sir.
How do you feel being here?
Because, not many people from
And isn't that why we do things here at Luau? Give it up for her answer. The reason why we call this to witness our own culture being presented. Now, can I get another person, another volunteer, maybe an older person, maybe someone who has wisdom. Auntie, you wanna come? Do you wanna come, Auntie? You, Auntie, come here, Auntie. Let's hear your wisdom. For me, Auntie, since I let you in the building earlier today. And that's what we respect everyone. Dang, y'all don't respect your own wishes. You, right there, with the cardboard in the hand. Please come. Oh, this is her third time coming up to the stage, guys. Third time. Hi. Was it Aaron?
It's Kaya.
Oh, that's embarrassing. Kaya, where are you from again?
Hawaii.
Hawaii, okay. And how excited are you to be here tonight at Luau?
Very, very excited.
Who are you here to support?
Camille.
Camille, you're here to support Camille? Did you hear that, Camille? You have a supporter.
Probably her only supporter.
Thank you so much. Please give it up one more time for our Siva section. You better say that because we will be having our fa'umu, also known as the Chihu contest.
Yup.
If you're confident,
If you're confident. We're gonna need 5 contestants who can find who's the best, okay? All right, let's see. Oh, Liam right here, Maddie's right there. They're gonna pick 5 contestants who can find who's the best. All right, we got one right here. Liam, I see one right there in the back with the white hat. Maddie, you got anybody over there? What happened to my right side? We was doing so good. Told her to say that, but I swear I do.
No, she
Oh,
clocked
we
her
got
on
one
that
right
one.
here. Come this way, come this way.
The children are back again.
Liam, what's with you and picking kids, yo? All right. Okay. We're gonna go to our contestants. You're gonna sit down, and on a scale of 1 to 10, how good can you follow? Okay? Got it? Okay.
My name is Kylie, and I come from Oregon, Portland, and I probably like 8 out of 10.
Oh, 8 out of 10.
B-Town represent.
Okay, starting off pretty good. Okay.
My name is V. I come from Eugene, Oregon, obviously, and 10 out of 10.
Oh, 10 out of 10 right here. Okay. Eugene.
My name is Jewel, and I was born in Eugene, Oregon, and 10 out of 3.
Okay. Yeah. I'm in college, but that one confused me. Okay, next.
My name is Evangeline. I was born in Hawaii. I forgot what island.
Oh, period.
No,
Okay.
it's okay.
Yeah, and on a scale of 1 to 10, how good can you follow?
10 out of 10.
Oh, we got some pretty confident kids up here, dude. All right, next.
My name's Ethan from the Bay Area.
Oh, 7 out of 10 for the Bay Area. Let's go. 7 out of 10 for the Bay Area. Let's go. All right, next contestant.
My name's Q, and I'm from LBC, Long Beach,
Long Beach! On a scale of 1 to 10, how good can you follow?
6 or 7.
Yeah, 6, 7. All right, this guy right here next.
My name is Phil. I'm from the beautiful village of White Lord, American Samoa. And we originated from.
Oh, this guy originated the follow apparently. You can't tell the resemblance.
They look very alike.
It might be my dad.
So first to mom, I know her dad.
I don't know my family want to come up here all of a sudden. Okay, we're gonna go down the line, and you're gonna follow for us, okay? And our crowd, keep them confident, okay? Keep them. We got some 8, 10s, 9, 6, 7. Okay, we're gonna start with our first contestant. Do you need the mic or no? Oh no.
She said no.
Oh, my bad, P-Town, okay?
Let's see it, P-Town. 503.
That was better than me. All right, do you need the mic? Oh, no.
She got
Go
that.
ahead. Oh. Yup. Give it up one more time for our Siva Solomon.
And our sweepers. Where's the box?
Where's the pocket? Sorry, quick intermission. Thank you everybody who threw their money tonight. Give it up.
Thank you for the donation. Give it one more time for the Sa and for our ladies. Today, our taupo representing American Samoa from Leone, that was Evangeline Paulo. Give it up for Evangeline. She's graduating a senior this year, so she'll be graduating. We also want to take this time to wish a happy birthday to choreographer and teacher Maggie's cousin, Tanya Yundal.
Let's give it up!
Happy birthday to you.
What?
Happy birthday to you. You guys sound good. Happy birthday, dear Tanya. Happy birthday to you. How old are you turning, Tanya? 7! You're so precious. Happy birthday.
All right, y'all. Well, to move on with our show, we are now going to be performing, or Jay Puni is now going to be performing our Siva Afi, a traditional fire dance. Give it up!
Give it up for Jay.
Let's give it up for Jay Puni one more time. All right. At this time, we'd like to welcome our current exec board members who have been working extremely hard tonight.
Please welcome to the stage, Carson. Give it up for Carson. Maddie. Give it up for Maddie. Liam. Hey, Liam's back again, guys. Caleb. Panina. Jacelyn. And Xander.
All right. my very own Uncle Carson will now be giving a speech.
Hi everyone, my name is Carson and I'm the current director for Huio Hawaii. I just want to say thank you all for making it out to our 51st annual Lua. Your guys' support is what makes one of the biggest student-run events possible. I'd also like to say thank you to everyone performing in Lua and also the choreographers. Last but not least, this year's amazing exec board. You guys have worked with me through all the hard times with all the meetings and events. Thank you for all the hard work you put into the club. With that being said, we all have the utmost faith in the upcoming board. And we're excited to announce next year's Huio Hawaii board. Starting off with Director of Communications, we have Maddie Ann Villanueva. Next up, we have Madison Gildani, who will serve as our Director of Finance. Next, we have two events coordinators who serve on board. Our first is Trey Lum. Our second events coordinator is Tyron Veloria. Next, we have our two luau coordinators, the first being Lavena Toribio. And Stacia Haleakala. And finally, our new co-directors. Our first co-director is Liam Meza. Lastly, our second co-director is Jason Shinagawa. All right, let's all come together for a group photo.
Parents, take your phone down.
They like each other, I swear. Let's give it one last time for both our current and new exec board.
Now for our final and last performance, please join me in welcoming our senior class of 2026.
For seniors I wanted this year, I decided to choreograph to Sweet Memory and Makula Kua by Mark Yamanaka. In this melody, it talks about the sense of yearning, the sense of desire, the sense of longing for a loved one. And one particular concept in this melody that I was really mesmerized by was his comparison of his lover to his entire world. And I related this to this year's theme. And also seniors essentially is because like the world is our oyster and the new beginnings that we're all going to embark on soon after we graduate, whether it be more schooling for some to get their master's and PhD maybe, or for us to start our career paths. And being able to take all these memories, all these friendships, all these bonds, connections, networking, and essentially schooling into the real world is very scary, but I'm honestly very curious and very optimistic for each and every one of them. I want to dedicate this minute to my mom and my dad. You have raised me to the person I am today, and honestly shaped me so much to how I behave, how I act, how I hold myself, and honestly how to check myself sometimes. But unfortunately, my dad has passed as of this past February. And continuing this practice in particular was very, very hard because the song just constantly talks about the sweet memories, and all I could think about were just the good old days in childhood with him. But as I was reflecting, I wanted to shift the mentality of continually missing him and wishing he was still here to being thankful and grateful for everything that he has done for me and my siblings. And I just want to say I love you, Mom and Dad. And I love you all seniors. I'm so excited to dance one last dance with you guys. Mahalo.
my gosh. Wasn't that just tear-jerking? I'm so sad to see them go. Bye. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together one more time for our graduating class of 2026.
Just a few reminders regarding the end of show protocol. When it's time to leave, please check your surrounding areas and clean up any rubbish and mess. If you'd like to take the centerpieces home with you, please do so. That includes the leaves and the candles. I saw my little sister already took a candle.
I mean, if you want to take the tablecloth too, we'll use it, I guess.
All right.
For our families and friends of our dancers, there will be some time once we conclude the singing of a Hawaii Aloha to see them and take pictures. All dancers will need to report backstage to help clean up before getting their dinner. Once they do that, they will be allowed to leave the arena.
Now, everyone, please put your hands together as we welcome our seniors to the stage.
All right. Starting with our first senior, Kavehi Akina. Kavehi is from Upcountry Maui and will be graduating with a bachelor's degree in psychology and a minor in sociology. Her favorite movie memory was dancing in last year's 50th anniversary luau with all of her closest friends. Give it up.
Janessa Cadez. Janessa is from San Jose, California, and will be graduating with a bachelor's degree in political science with a minor in German. Her favorite Hui memory is sophomore year coast trip. Give it up for Janessa.
All right, next we got Carson Chu.
Uncle Carson.
Uncle Carson. Carson is from Kailua, Oahu, and will be graduating with a bachelor's degree in business with concentrations in sports business and finance, along with minors in computer information technology and economics. Hey, he's smart. His favorite Hui memory was planning all the events like ski trip and the basketball tournament last year. Let's give it up for Carson.
Caleb Correa. Cece is from Myrtle Beach, Oahu, and will be graduating with a bachelor's degree in dance. His favorite HOH memories were the late night crafts that contributed towards luau for the past 2 years, watching Mary Monarch together and talking story with everyone. Give it up for Caleb.
Next up we have Luisa De Leon. Luisa is from San Francisco, California, and will be graduating with a bachelor's degree in art with a minor in Latinx studies. Her favorite HOH memories were the late night braiding parties for luau throughout the years. Give it up for Luisa!
Sanoe Kaluahine. Who's laughing? Hey, Sanoe Kaluahine! Sanoe is from Lehue, Kauai, and will be graduating with a bachelor's in environmental design with a concentration in landscape design. Her favorite Hui memory is luau because we get to showcase our culture and all of the hard work the whole club has been dedicating throughout the many weeks of preparation to our family and friends. Give it up for Sanoe.
Next up, we have Kaylin Kojima. Kaylin is from Moanalua, Oahu, and will be graduating with a bachelor's degree in psychology. Her favorite Hui memories are seniors Awana practices and making close friends. Give it up for Caitlin.
Caleb Ledesma. Caleb is from Pearl City, Oahu, and will be graduating with a bachelor's in general social science, a concentration in environmentalism, and a minor in planning, public policy, and management. His favorite HOH memories are of ski trips and the 50th annual luau. Give it up for Caleb.
All right, next up we have Riley Murakami. Riley was born in Kanoa, Oahu, but resides in Torrance, California. She will be graduating with a bachelor's degree in economics with a minor in business administration. Her favorite Hui memories consist of the 2024 ski trip, dancing in Kuwait Awana last year, and meeting all the new friends she has made throughout the years. Give it up for Riley.
Lindsay Naputo. Lindsay is from Salt Lake, Oahu, and although Lindsay is not graduating this year, she will be attending UO Portland campus next school year, where she will be graduating with a Bachelor of Fine Arts in Product Design. Her favorite HOH memories are dancing in luau every year, Tulip Farm, and bowling. Give it up for Lindsay.
All right, next up we have Nessa Naru. Nessa She will be graduating with a bachelor's in advertising with a minor in business administration. Her favorite Hui memories consist of the luau practices throughout this year. Give it up for Vanessa.
Zach Ota. Zach is from Wailuku, Maui, and will be graduating with a bachelor's degree in accounting with a concentration in finance. His favorite Hui memory is participating in our annual ski trip with all his friends. Give it up for Zach. Evangeline Ilaisane Tatiafe Paulo. Evangeline was born and raised in Leone, American Samoa, and will be graduating with a Bachelor of Art in Psychology. Her favorite Hui memory is getting to learn and dance Tahitian in last year's luau. Luau practices and meeting everyone. Give it up for Evangeline.
All right. Next up, we have Xander Quinn. Number 40 on the football team, Xander Quinn is from Hilo, Hawaii, and will be graduating with a bachelor's in biology. His favorite HOH memory is lake day, spending time with everyone, playing different games, and cooling off in the water. Scuba!
Panina Taima Vaimoona. Panina is from Kahala, Oahu, and will be graduating with a bachelor's degree in public policy, planning, and management, and a minor in environmental studies. Her favorite Hui memories are from luau practices and late night exec board meetings. Give it up for Panina.
All right, y'all. Next up, we have Max. Max is coming up on the stage. Give it up for Max!
We're gonna take this time to ask Max where he's from and what his favorite memories are. Yeah, you got you.
I'm from Waipahu, and my favorite part of HOH is that it's a nice home away from home in Oregon.
Give it up for
All right, y'all. If our graduating class can get together for a picture real quick, all of the parents, families, take out your phones, put the flash on, I don't care. Smile. Squat. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, look this way, look this way. Okay, now look that way, look that way. Down the middle, down the middle.
And look up.
All right, give it up one more time for our graduating class of 2026. All right. We will now be taking this time to hand off the mic to our luau coordinators this year, Caleb and Panino. Give it up.
Thank you so much, everyone, for being here, especially rolling with all the technical difficulties and changes in the show today. First and foremost, I just want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for this amazing opportunity to be able to it's been such a blessing watching this event come together, but especially that come in and help and village, and I appreciate every single one of them. They put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into every single practice. Even when they didn't want to show up, they still did. I want to give a huge shout out to my roommate Riley Murakami. She was just on stage. She was basically forced to be our third luau coordinator. She helped us figure out a lot of things. Big shout out to my mom. She's holding it down for me, always running around for doing whatever for me. And I just really want to also thank Caleb. I mean, we've been through so much together. It's been a really, it's been a really hard year for us. We both had big losses in the family recently, and I really just want to thank Caleb for bearing with me and rolling with it, and also everyone in the club. It wasn't easy when I had to leave for a little bit, so I'm just really appreciative of everyone, and also all of you for spending your money and just coming to watch and support us. We appreciate all of you guys.
We would like to thank a lot of our parents. Honestly, thank you, moms,
lot of times, like this job is very stressful, and honestly, from us, like we believe that this job is honestly meant for at least 4 people. So us dragging Riley sometimes and incorporating our moms with needing their help with just to at least have us have clear minds going in with this project. And I would like to thank also Kaylin and Leona for lending their expertise from when they were also Lua coordinators in previous years. And honestly, huge shout out to our entire exec board, especially when me and Nina were experiencing these losses and were struggling. We were able to rely on our interns, rely on our rest of the exec board to be able to like pick up the slack in which we had created sometimes. And honestly, I'm very thankful to a lot of the dancers, all of the dancers, for not only dealing with us and how hectic our weeks have been, especially the past 2-3 weeks, and all these practices, very, very fun. I honestly wouldn't trade it for anything else. And lastly, I guess, love you.
All right, y'all. Well, from me and Hunter, we want to thank everyone for coming out and supporting us tonight. It truly means the world to all of us.
We would also like to thank all of the volunteers, board members, and club members who have helped us ensure that this year's Luau was a success.
Let's give it up for all these guys back here.
And we want to thank our members and friends for coming and supporting us tonight. We are so appreciative of you guys all.
Give it up for yourselves. Yeah, thanks for laughing at all of me and Hunter's jokes as well.
Even though some of them were air balls, thank you.
Thanks for rolling with our games. At this time, we want to bring up all of our dancers, our members, for the singing of Hawaii Aloha. If everybody would like to stand up, you can sing along with us. We encourage you to, so it's not just us.
You can find the lyrics on the screen as well.
Hold each other's hand. We all bend it down. Tight.
safe and have a wonderful rest of your night.
And with that, ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our 51st annual Goodwill and Holy Day.
And remember,
Ducks. Let's go, Ducks.